Alright guys, what's going on? So I'm here in a sort of shop that me and a friend of mine are renting out. That's his 350Z. We're going to be pulling the motor on that. And I'm thinking most of the videos for this car will be on his channel. We didn't record anything yesterday. All we did was pull off the front rad support so we can get to the engine itself. We're going to be pulling that out, doing rod bearings. But today we're going to be installing some ground control E36 rear shock top hats. Now, these are a seriously nice item. They're $100, give or take, off of Condor Speed Shop. I'll give them a shout out in the description. You can see their sticker right there up on my dash. They've got some really high quality stuff. So this brass piece here, the top hat brass piece, that goes on each of those shock towers facing down, and then the graphite dark gray color piece there goes on the shock itself, pointing upwards. So then you put it back together, and it's supposed to give it more support to protect the shock towers themselves because they're kind of thin on these cars. So we're going to do an install of that today. And then, yeah, I'll give you a little walk around of the car. I got some new wheels since the last time you guys have seen this car. I got an alignment, new wheels, and new shocks. And then these top hats. So I'm going to give you an install video on that. It's like you need like a 16, an 18, and a 13 to get it out. So here we go.
Hoping for something more than this to realize our lies. Take this once and run away with it, and I can't say that you're worth it and face your fears for something more today. And I can't wait to turn it around now. We search for recognition, but find that something's missing down inside our souls. With such uncertainty now, we find these lies on the way down from here. But where do we begin?
Alright, so we've got both of those shocks out now, right here. And as you can see, these old top hats are totally screwed. They're a little bit rusty and just totally falling apart. So I'm going to go ahead and replace those with the new ones right there. And I'll get back with you. Pretty much all you need to do is put an adjustable wrench on that piece there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a little, there's two little cutouts on it. I put an adjustable wrench on it, and that's a 16. So I'll get to that, put it back together, and then put it back in the car. Alright guys, like I said, a little walk around. So when I was in North Carolina, I still had the 318 IS front bumper. I have since upgraded to a M3 bumper. Also, I picked up a set of Style 66 wheels from a buddy of mine. They've got Federal 595 tires on them, in perfect shape. They're like brand new tires. But yeah, she's doing good. Got the Boost Central sticker on it still. But the fitment is really nice. The car sits great, rides great, especially with the new shocks, and hopefully these here will prove to be a nice addition to the car. Those are the ground control mounts I just installed. They were actually really easy to install, and it'll make it so if you pull the tire off, you can get to the shock bolts in the fender well really easily. But yeah, so this is our little shop area that we've got going on. My toolbox is here. Joe brought a table to organize things on. That's his 350Z. I'm sure you'll see that in on his channel. Link to Joey350, Joey350 down below in the description. That's going to be his YouTube channel. He's going to be doing all the videos on this thing. I'm going to continue just doing small stuff on that car back there. I bought a motor for it. We've got an M52, which is the 2.8 liter BMW engine. It's going in that. I'm super excited. I'm stoked. So, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. And this has just been a quick upload. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.